Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the process of creating report in Power BI. A Power BI report is a visual representation of your data insights presented in a structured and interactive format. It serves as a tool for communications of key findings, trends, and patterns within your data to stakeholders and decision makers. Power BI reports typically consist of multiple visualizations such as charts, graphs, tables, and maps arranged on a canvas to convey the insights effectively. Some of the key elements of Power BI reports are visualization, filter, drill throughs, and bookmarks. In visualizations, we have charts, graphs, and other graphical elements that represent the data. In filters, we have interactive controls that allow the users to filter and slice the data dynamically. In drill through, we have links that enable the users to navigate to more detailed information. And in bookmarks, we have the saved views of the reports for easy navigation and presentation. Now, we will talk a bit about the process of creation of reports in Power BI. It includes 5 steps. The first one is data importation and connection, which includes connecting Power BI to the data source using built-in connectors or custom data connections, and also importing of the data into Power BI desktop and prepare it for analysis using Power Query and data modeling techniques. The second step is visualization design, which includes the dragging and dropping of visualization on the report canvas to create the desired layout, and also customizing the visualizations by adjusting the properties such as colors, sizes, and labels to enhance the readability and visual appeal. The third step is data analysis and insights, which includes utilizing the interactive features such as filters, slicers, and drill down features to explore the data dynamically, and also applying the advanced analytical techniques such as forecasting and trend analysis to uncover the insights within the data. The next step is report formatting and branding, which includes formatting the report layout to improve the readability and aesthetics, and also adding titles, headings, and annotations to provide the context and guidance to the users. The last step is collaboration and sharing, which includes publishing of these reports to Power BI service to share it with stakeholders and collaborators, and also sharing of the reports via email, embedded into other applications, or generate the shareable links for a wider distribution. So, in this tutorial, we had talked about the Power BI reports and explored the process of creating them from start to finish. We will have a hands-on practice on them in the upcoming sessions where we will follow all these steps first and then make some reports. By understanding the key elements of Power BI reports and follow the step-by-step process, you can create visually compelling and insightful reports that drive the informed decision making within your organization. So this was all for this session. In the upcoming sessions, we will talk about the different data sources and how can you connect to them in Power BI. Thank you.